All right, folks, what if I told you there's one business you can start today with no degree, no fancy skills, and under $100? And no, it's not drop shipping or Amazon FBA. This is the #1 business I'd start in 2024 if I wanted to get rich. Let's go. All right, here's the big reveal. It's an AI automation agency. That's right, helping businesses save time and money with AI tools. Think chatbots, email automation, data analysis. Why this? Because 72% of companies are begging for AI solutions, but have no idea how to use them. That's where you come in. Now here's why this is a goldmine. First, high demand. Every local business, dentists, gyms, e-commerce needs AI. Second, low cost. You can use free tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, and Canva. Third, scalable. You can charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per client each month. Got 10 clients? You're looking at $10K a month. And lastly, no tech genius required. Just learn the basics. I'll link some free courses below. Here's your 3-step roadmap to getting started. Step 1, pick a niche. Maybe realtors, maybe restaurants. Step 2, offer a done-for-you AI service. Think automating customer emails. Step 3, cold DM businesses on Instagram or LinkedIn with "Hi name. I helped competitors save 10 hours a week with AI. Want me to do the same for you?" Boom! Clients will say yes. Still skeptical? Meet Sarah. She started her AI agency 6 months ago and now makes $25K a month working just 10 hours a week. Her secret? Repurposing free AI tools and charging premium prices. Want my free cheat sheet with exact scripts, tools, and niches to target? Comment AI agency below. I'll DM it to you. And subscribe. Next week, I'll show you how to close your first client in 24 hours. The AI revolution is here. Will you watch it or win it? See you in the next one. Go get rich.